You know, this heat wave makes for a very uncomfortable back-to-school season.
Boy, right about that. It raises the question, are school air conditioning units up to the task? After all, more than a dozen high schools had to dismiss early over HVAC issues last year. WREG's Harrison Klopp joins us now live outside of one of those high schools. And Harrison, I know Trez Van Thaer is behind you. Will it be ready to go?
Greg, Stephanie, good evening. That's the hope, right, is that these kids will have air conditioning on the first day of school. I spoke with County Commissioner Charlie Caswell, who represents this area, and expressed to me that, frankly, these kids deserve to have it.
We hoping that this district is up on the game and know that next week is game time. And I heard the meeting last night, they talked about being ready, and I believe that they will hopefully be ready.
Commissioner Caswell is optimistic the Memphis-Shelby County schools will have air conditioning to start the year. But with the aging infrastructure of many schools across the county, he says problems may pop up out of nowhere.
The fact that where we are right now is that how do we sustain air conditioning? How do we make sure that they're still operable, right? And that's where funding is right now in the education fund through the wheel tax, is that we shouldn't be having air conditioning problems at this point in time in any of our schools in the district.
Lakaya Davis, who lives a mile away from Trezvent, sends her 9 kids to Hawkins Mill Elementary and says the school experienced air conditioning problems last year and is hoping they don't this year.
Who don't want to be comfortable going to school in good environment, good air? I mean, you can't focus in no heat.
Her son Marquise, who experienced the hot classrooms last year, is hoping for the same.
I just don't want this year. I hope some kids can come in and they can say, yeah, they just come in, feel the good air and stuff.
Going forward, Commissioner Caswell thinks XAI helping 4 local schools with their maintenance problems can lead to more businesses helping out Shelby County schools that face more than $1 billion in deferred maintenance.
You know, when you look at what happened with the district last night with accepting the money from XAI, like if you can get businesses to invest in schools, we need businesses to invest in schools because sadly at the local level that the county did not invest.
And the big news we learned yesterday is that MSCS has installed 10 new HVAC systems and are in the process of testing them, all to be ready by that first day of school on Monday. From Fraser, I'm Harrison Klopp, your news leader, WREG News Channel 3.
Yes, don't need any surprises. Harrison, thanks.